Everyday tech is full of hidden features and powerful tricks you might not know about. From smartphone shortcuts to security hacks, these tips will boost your productivity and simplify daily tasks. Whether you're a tech newbie or a seasoned pro, there's something here for everyone. Let's dive into these must-know tech secrets. Welcome to Tech Academy Labs. Today we're sharing practical tech hacks that will help you get the most out of your everyday devices. You'll learn tips for your smartphone, computer, and even some general security essentials. If you enjoy learning how tech can make life easier, be sure to subscribe. Let's kick things off with the device that's practically an extension of ourselves, the smartphone. It's not just a tool for communication, it's a powerful gadget that can enhance our daily lives in countless ways. From managing our schedules to capturing precious moments, the smartphone is indispensable. First up, app shortcuts. Long press an app icon to jump right to specific actions within the app. This feature can save you time and make navigation smoother. Imagine needing to send a quick message or check your calendar without having to open the app fully. It's all about efficiency. Next, battery saver mode. It can squeeze out extra minutes or hours of life from your device. This is especially useful when you're on the go and can't charge your phone. By limiting background activities and reducing screen brightness, you can keep your phone running longer. Finally, one-handed mode. It shrinks the screen, bringing everything within thumb's reach. This is perfect for those moments when you only have one hand free, making it easier to navigate and use your phone without straining. These features make using your phone more efficient and convenient. They are designed to enhance your user experience, making everyday tasks simpler and more enjoyable. So start using them and wonder how you ever lived without them. Explore these functionalities and see how they can transform your interaction with your device. Your smartphone is more powerful than you think. With these tips, you can unlock new levels of productivity and convenience. Unlock its full potential and make your life easier. Embrace these features and let your smartphone work for you, making every day a bit more seamless and efficient. Let's move on to the workhorse of the tech world, the computer. Whether you're working from home, in an office, or on the go, your computer is an essential tool that can significantly enhance your productivity and efficiency. Mastering essential keyboard shortcuts can seriously up your productivity game. Shortcuts like Ctrl+C for copy, Ctrl+V for paste, and Alt+Tab to switch between applications can save you precious time and make your workflow smoother. Next, the Task Manager is your best friend for keeping your computer running smoothly. It allows you to monitor your system's performance, see which applications are using the most resources, and manage startup programs. It shows you what's running in the background and lets you shut down any rogue applications. This can help prevent your computer from slowing down or crashing unexpectedly. Finally, voice typing can be a huge time saver for writing emails and documents. By simply speaking, you can draft long text without having to type a single word, which can be especially useful for those who type slowly or have repetitive strain injuries. These tips can make your computer experience more efficient and enjoyable. By incorporating these practices into your daily routine, you'll find that you can accomplish tasks more quickly and with less effort. So start using them and become a digital ninja. Embrace these techniques and watch as your proficiency with your computer grows. Your computer is a powerful tool. Master it. With the right skills and knowledge, you can unlock its full potential and make it work for you in ways you never imagined. Data defense. Simple steps for digital security. In today's hyper-connected world, data security is no joke. With so much of our personal and professional lives conducted online, it's crucial to take steps to protect our information. First, enable two-factor authentication everywhere you can. This simple step can make a huge difference in securing your accounts. It adds an extra layer of protection to your accounts, making it much harder for unauthorized users to gain access. Next, use a password manager to generate strong, unique passwords for each of your accounts. This way, you don't have to remember complex passwords, and you can avoid using the same password across multiple sites. Finally, be vigilant about phishing scams. These deceptive emails and messages can trick you into giving away your personal information. Don't click on suspicious links or emails asking for personal information. Always be cautious and think twice before you act. Always double-check the sender's address before replying. If something seems off, it's better to err on the side of caution. These simple steps can drastically improve your online security. By taking these precautions, you can protect your data from potential threats. Protect your data and stay safe online. Remember, a little effort goes a long way in keeping your digital life secure. Device dynamos. Unlock hidden potential. Did you know you can use your tablet as a second monitor for your computer? Just connect your tablet wirelessly or with a cable for a portable multi-screen setup. Next, screen mirroring lets you share your device's display with a larger audience. Finally, download maps for offline use to navigate without an internet connection. These tips can elevate your everyday device experience. And there you have it. Simple yet powerful tech secrets that make your devices more useful every day. We covered everything from smartphone shortcuts and computer commands to essential data security tips and hidden device features. Technology should make our lives easier, more efficient, and more enjoyable. Let us know which tip you found most helpful in the comments. Like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more tech insights. Thanks for watching Tech Academy Labs.